Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes. One love, swift love.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shayna Violet, and I am back with another hair tutorial. Yes, another one. This one is going to be on some chunky twists that I saw my friend had in her hair when she was staying with me, and I'll insert a picture. Yeah, I thought it was really cute, and my hair is never straight, and I feel like this hairstyle definitely required my hair to be straight or at least blown out, but it is straight, and I definitely want to put something in it and not wash it yet because it's cold and I don't want my hair out. So we're gonna do protective style. So let's get into it, guys. I hope you enjoy. So first I'm gonna start by taking my hair down. Do we see this length? Do we see that? Are we appreciating it? We're gonna go part my hair. Hopefully this time, I think I'm gonna do like max 20. So they're gonna be pretty big. But hopefully I can get them even. Wish me luck. Hopefully it doesn't take 2 hours. I got work. It's literally 9 o'clock and I'm starting my hair. But whatever, it's okay. That's fine. That ain't no problem. I'm gonna go part my hair. I'll be back. Okay, so finished parting. But before we get into that, what you're going to need: some rubber bands, scrunchie, scissors, a comb to part your hair, which I'm using the Free Tress braid pre-stretch in the color 1B, and it is 28 inches. So I definitely thought I was recording, thank God. That, you know. Took my hair and I split one section into 3. So they're not the same, but once they untwist, they kind of look the same. So that's good. What we're gonna do is just stagger it a little bit and then just finger comb it out. Go into the back. Also, I ended up switching to black rubber bands because the clear ones were more visible to me. Black is obviously going to blend a lot better. First, you want to split your hair in half horizontally, not vertically. If you part it vertically, the way the twist falls will be kind of wonky. Place the twisting hair in between the part, then bring your hair back together. Place the rubber band only around your hair to secure the other hair in place. I didn't make the rubber bands very tight just because I didn't want to pull on my hair, but I ran into some issues after the fact, so I suggest you make them as tight as you possibly can. So I realized when I was doing some practice twists that you can't just start twisting from the root with this rubber band method because the rubber band would ultimately be visible. So I figured out 2 methods that kind of work for me. And I say kind of because when I did one method in the front, it worked, but when I tried to do it in the back, it didn't. For this method, you're going to grab each section of the twisting hair and your hair in each hand. Take a small section of the twisting hair from one side and bring it over to the other, and then do the same thing for the other side. I made the mistake of using edge control to make sure that my ends didn't come out, but that didn't work at all. So I really suggest using the wax stick from Care, which I do have, but I just didn't use it in this video. But once you put that on your ends, go ahead and start twisting, and make sure that you are twisting the hair in the opposite direction and twisting down, just like Senegalese twists. At the bottom, I left about 3 inches not twisted and put a rubber band around it so that it wouldn't unravel. Does anything weird, just pull on it a little bit and it'll even itself out. And the rubber band is still kind of showing. I don't know, it works up here. Don't worry about the back. The back don't matter. If you try to put it up in a bun, you're not gonna see the rubber band. That's all that matters. I mean, I practiced before I did it. Like here, you don't see any rubber bands. I don't see any rubber bands on this one, but I don't know, it's not working in the back. I don't know, it's because I just don't know what I'm doing back there because I'm just really bad at the back of my head. But I'm gonna try it one more time and hopefully we get it, you know. Then split the hair. Okay, so the first time I took a piece, but this time what I'm gonna do is instead of just twisting, I'm gonna go over it and then start twisting, if that makes sense. Hope y'all saw that. Let me do it one more time. So, have my hair. I twist this way, right? So I'm gonna go over, so covering the rubber band. I don't know if you guys can see this. Covering the rubber band and then starting to twist. Let's see if that works. If not, then y'all are gonna have to tell me how to cover these rubber bands up, because I don't know. Or at least how to do it in the back, because I'm not, my hands is not feeling it today. Oh, the rubber band is covered. That worked, guys. So flipping it over the rubber band first and then proceeding to twist is the trick. Now, can I do that for the rest of my head is the question. Challenge accepted. All right, y'all, we at the top. Started from the bottom, now we here. Ooh, got bangs. Okay, hello bangs. Swoop. At the top, I switch between either method, but mostly I use the second one. Do whichever one you feel is easier and works best for you. Okay, y'all, so I got my retainer in because it was like way past my bedtime. I just dipped these in some hot water and I'm gonna keep them in overnight so they can like really set. All right, guys, here, ashy, whoo, child. All right, guys, so this is the final look. So I took the things out and clearly it's a little messy. But I kind of like that. I'm kind of feeling that. And the curls also, what my friend's hairstylist told her is that the curls help it not unravel. So I'm gonna take off. I'm just being lazy. I don't feel like taking these rubber bands off, y'all. But you know what, for y'all, I'll do one. Just one. Because that's a lot of work. Okay. But yeah, you can see like where is it gonna go? How is it gonna unravel? It's not. I feel like I look like I'm 12 with those two twists in the front, so I'm just going to move some twists to the other side just to get some side part action going. And here's the final look, guys. This hairstyle is super easy to do and took me around 2 hours minus the parting time to complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to share it and thumbs it up. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment box below. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel, especially since I have some great videos coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.